I'm on the ferry and we're going to the Isle of Bute. Lovely bright morning. I got up and did the extra landmark, and I'm glad I did, because it went over a cracking little road between Largs and Port of Glasgow. Bit different today, island hopping. So we're going to do the Isle of Bute, which is not a massive island, but it's about a 30-mile loop. And then we come off the other side, get another ferry, quick dash across the coast to another ferry to what's it called? Mullaghtyre, I think, isn't it? That bit that sticks down. Then a route up north to get another landmark, and then back down again. And then we'll get the ferry to Arran. I've got 2 or 3 hours on there. Do a full loop. I've got the ferry booked for that one off later, about 7 o'clock tonight, I think. Should be a good day. Just paid for a single ticket. It was me and the bike was, what was it, 11.70, something like that. I've actually turned around, we're going backwards now. I came through that Port of Glasgow, Clyde area there. Oh, and it's yeah, really nice. So it all looks like it's been regenerated. Modern buildings, modern statues and things. Really nice. Right, see you later. Okay, we've arrived. Isle of Bute, Rothsay. I was the last one off the ferry. I stood waiting in the queue. Didn't realise the queue, they were all waiting for a bus. So they waited out the pedestrian exit, but they blocked all the aisle. No bother. Right, time's it now, 9:45. Let's go for a ride around Bute, see what it's like. See where we came from, through there somewhere. Very nice. Look at that. I do like an island, they've got a different feel about them. Managed to fill up with fuel as well just before I got on the ferry, so that's one thing less to worry about today. I'm not really sure what total miles there is today. Go, look at them swimming in there. Oh my days. So I guess I'm just going to follow the coast all the way around then, really. Nice little plod. What's that thing there? Strange looking thing. Just reminds me of the Area Bikers episode where they came here. They went fishing on a loch just down here. Look at these places on here. Imagine, I don't know, 60, 100 years ago, all the rich folk used to come here and build their houses. Got a little beach there, look. Oh, lovely. Oh, wow. Ugh. That little village town on the sea there, King Arth Hotel, Smiddy Bar, Kilcatton Bay. Nice beach down there. It's nice. Wow, every turn you've got a different view of different islands, different locks. Just a little island there. This one's for sale, under offer. I think this will take me to the West Coast Road. See, they have resurfaced quite a bit, but with the bits that haven't, they've got them grooves worn in them, so the bike wants to just find a groove and moves about underneath you. It's a bit disconcerting, whatever the word is. Get on your own side of the bloody road. Yes, see me now. Chicken in the road. So what is this? Pencil box. A museum or something. Pencils. A phone box. I wonder if Itchy Boots has put a book in it. Oh, could it nip for a swim if I'd got my swim shorts with me. Dog walking. Oh, dogs love it here. Nice life for a dog. Just stopped. Was he waiting for me? Was he viewing something? I think he was. Must have thought I was a wide load. Speaking of which, no panniers today. Left them in the tent, so let's just hope they're still there when I get back. I think there's a little harbour and toilets to the right here. Must be a nice place for a stop for a coffee and a biscuit, maybe. It's Dock. That's where we get the ferry from. That's only 6 miles up there. Port Bannatyne. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Very good. Right, we'll spin it round. Shall we? I'll tell you what, no, we'll have a little sit down there. That looks lovely. Oh, look at that. That bench has got my name written all over it. I'll have 10 minutes here. Right, heading to the next ferry then, off of the Isle of Bute. I think it's only a little hop, maybe 5-10 minutes max. You might even stay with the bike on this one. I think it's so the place we're getting the ferry from is called, excuse my pronunciation, but it's called Ruby Dock or something like that. And we're going to, is it Cointrave or Colintrave? And then we're going to nip across to get, it's like a little peninsula, and we're going to nip across to the west side of that to a place called Portaviddy, where we're going to get another ferry. So I think this next one goes at 11:10. It's 1:45 now. Oh, look at this on the road. Look at this on the road. Oh, can't ride through that. Oh my days. Oh no. Dirty bar stewards. Oh, that's the ferry there, look, on the other side. So it's not far at all. Probably swim that. We're at the end of the road. Once on board, please remember to apply your handbrake. Queue here for ferry. Oh, right. Ticket bought. £5.55. It's quite expensive for that little bit over there. You compare it to the 35-minute one for £11.70. So you still got to maintain the boat and pay the stuff though. Pay the fuel. 19 miles, 55 minutes. Okay. It's ferry number 2 then, just coming in. First one on. It's me and him. Which way are we going, mate? Left or right? Right. To the front. I'll just stay with this, won't I? Stay with it. Wow. Did not take long at all, that. Less than 5 minutes. It says 33 minutes, arriving at 11:45. And the next ferry doesn't leave until 12:30. Got to be there 12:20. So I've got an hour. 33 minutes, yeah. I've got half an hour of stop somewhere if I want, if I see anything nice. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Argyle's Secret Coast. Look, don't know what that says. Look how far we've come. Not far. Good fun though. It's all good fun. We've still got blue sky for the minute. Just heard it's pouring it down back home in Lincolnshire. I think we're going to get a bit later, but make the most of it now. Next few hours. It's all looking good. This is the B8000. This is the road to the ferry. Just stopped off at this viewpoint. Don't know if you can see, but wow. Huh, so the ferry just came across on the look. Oh, is this the Porta Vidi? It's not a ferry terminal, is it? Is it? Slipway for ferry. Porta Vidi. Buy your tickets before you board. Alright, should we ever go doing that then? Oh, look at that. Right. Ferry's here. It's a different type of ferry again. Like a big car deck and just people sit up the sides. Look. I don't know if everyone's going to get on this, so it was a good call getting here early. It's a 25-minute crossing. The sign said book your tickets before you board, so I've just done that on my phone, just in case. I think you probably could pay on the ferry. This one's £9.25. Am I going to go that way? Okay. Coming down the side? Yeah. No. Right, so we're just arriving in Tarbert. 25-minute crossing, but I've had to sit on the bike the whole way because it's quite tightly packed and they don't strap their bikes down. So plenty of scratches on it already, look, that one. So I've not seen anything. I'm off to around Britain landmark now. So it's north from here. I'll stop for some lunch maybe. Oh, there's a bit of a bank. So 17 miles, 33 minutes. Half an hour stop, come back down, get the ferry to Arran. Okay. Busy, busy, busy. Busy old place is Tarbert.